Welcome to my weekly video where I share all things van life, travel, daily life, health, natural healing and more. It's been pretty cloudy and rainy lately, but things are starting to improve. We found a free camp that we stayed at for about 4 days where we explore, do yoga, cook and generally settle into living in a van. We've also enjoyed our birthdays before heading up north towards the sun. Today I'm sharing my yoga routine that I'm doing at the moment and also how I've been washing my hair, which is a little bit unusual. Onto the toilets, made a morning cacao, and now we're going to go and work out. Let's see what the weather's like. Well, it's not great, but it's not raining, at least. I was expecting to see kangaroos all through this field and I haven't seen any. We got the water working last night so we can have backdoor showers and we can do washing up in the sink, which is pretty amazing. This'll do, nice view. We started the morning with exercise and at the Mo I'm doing this yoga routine every 3 to 4 days. That just works best for me with our schedule at the moment. It starts with some sun salutation A and then B. If you don't know, sun sals are a sequence of movements starting from standing, moving through stretches to the floor, through forward fold, downward dog, up dog and lunges. Sun sal B is more intense with 3 chaturangas and jumps from forward fold to high plank and reverse. I do 5 of each and this is an Ashtanga based practice, which is what I trained in India, and it's quite intense, but they are a great warm-up and really stretch and work every part of the body, so even doing just those is a great workout. They take about 10 minutes altogether, and then I do a shortened version of the rest of the sequence, which includes some standing sequence with warriors, some balancing. I move on to some deep floor stretches, maybe some handstand or headstand practice to finish. Each movement goes with 1 inhale or exhale, so you generally inhale as your body moves away from the floor and exhale as your body moves towards the floor. So for example, you inhale, raise your arms to the ceiling, and exhale, dive forward into forward fold. So you really focus on your breath and really get those nice deep breaths, and your movement is the speed of your breath. And it really helps to focus your mind, it clears your mind, that's all you're thinking about. And it really works your whole body, clears your mind, stops your thoughts, and it really is a great way to start the day. Oh, is it not?
No.
When's his birthday?
No, he hasn't said anything, but I'll just...
My breakfast and Lawrence's breakfast. We're on 2 complete opposite food regimes. Anywho, I've been starting the day with oats or sourdough toast with avo and tomato, and been focusing on 3 healthy meals a day. The great thing with the van is we have no mirrors. We didn't put in any mirrors. We only have the ones that are on the van already. And it's been great for my mental health, not constantly seeing myself in, these different size mirrors that make you look really thin or really wide, and being able to nitpick at your shape or your size, and just focusing on my health and what's going into my body and not focusing on how I look in each mirror, So definitely that's been good for my mental health and away from that skinny supermodel ideal, that we've kind of all been fed.
Saley got into ultra running and ultra marathoning.
Really?
Yeah, and then...
So he actually became a Navy SEAL, went from basically, having a pretty shit life.
Now he's...
Hot showers. This is a huge treat for us right now. We have hot showers at this free camp, so we made the most of it, and I washed my hair. Can you smell it? It smells so nice. Lemon, peppermint, and... I've been using bentonite clay mixed with water and essential oils as the shampoo, and then an apple cider vinegar rinse. Sorry, did that get on you?
It just looked
which
like a
I
mess.
leave in. Slightly acidic and a similar acidity to hair, and so it softens and conditions it. This is a historic hair care and growth process I've been doing for about 6 months, and for my hair, which is generally, you know, greasy really quickly, very thin, fly away, flat, and gets knotty very easily. This has been a game changer. When it dries, it's still a little bit greasy, so you have to brush it through with bentonite clay powder, kind of like a dry shampoo, but it comes out so soft and clean but volumized, and it doesn't get knotty. You don't have to brush it. I don't have to wash it for a week or more, and my hair has also grown like crazy. So now we're going to relax and do a bit of editing work. We then packed up and went on to our next campsite, and we took a few day trips. We found these most beautiful, huge lakes that are man-made, but they're massive, and they go through a huge part of the hinterland, and they were just breathtaking. They were so beautiful, and there was pelicans, there was loads of cormorants. The water was, you know, soft and fresh, and we went out kayaking. I've had a temporary stop on the side of the road because two dogs had just stood in the side of the road on this really busy road, and now they've run off and we can't find them, and the lady said they don't belong to her or her neighbours, so we're just going to have a little look and see if we can find them. We've found these on the side of the road, which is a bit scary. It was definitely a dead animal that had been hit, because this is a really fast bit of road. At least they've been run off of that fast road.
Oh, there was a guy standing a metre away from us with a scythe in his hand.
I don't think somebody in broad daylight is going to just cut your head off when they don't even know us. Do you think?
We don't know these people.
Well, that's true.
Yeah, it's like, be aware of
He had a scythe ready to chop someone's head off. They just didn't want them to kill their chickens, and she was obviously just scared of dogs or something. This is literally breathtaking. Feels so great. Being in the beautiful surroundings like that, it just makes me feel so calm and peaceful and abundant, like looking around at the valley and the hillsides, and oh, I just love it. I love the countryside. And then we went on to stay in a beautiful hotel for my birthday, which you can watch in the next video.